Hello everyone, a special greetings to our Dr. Shazwan Shah bin Zulkifli. My name is Sashidan Guppan and we are from Group 12. We are here to present our group project on the topic of three emerging trends and how it benefits human resource management, collaborating with one of the HR function which is training and development. My fellow group members are first Vimandan Murthy, Sangra Srivattumalai, Viswadma Kumar and lastly Vivendran Paul. Let's get into this presentation. Our focus of this project is to identify three emerging trends and how it benefits human resource management, collaborating with one of the HR function, which the one that we have chosen, which is training and development. The contents of what we are going to see today on this presentation is first introduction, description of three emerging trends, how it would benefit to HR functions, strategies to improve HR operation and enhance organization efficiency, and finally conclusion. Human resource management, which is also known as HRM, is the process of hiring, training, rewarding, establishing policies and developing retention strategies for employees. HRM has evolved substantially over the last 2 decades, making it an even more important job in today's business. The process starts with defining the right regulation for the job and ends with ensuring the company's successful business growth. Human resources must provide excellent training and guarantee the proper growth of selected employees. In this presentation, we would like to incorporate three emerging trends with one of the HR function which I have mentioned before, which is training and development. Let's get further into this presentation.
Good day everyone, my name is Vimandan Murthy and my metric number is 277315. Today I am going to explain about the three emerging trends which is most helpful in human resource management, especially in training and development functions. The first emerging trend is manufacturing process automation, which is robotics. Manufacturing automation refers to the method of running a plant using production management software or robotics equipment. These products are intended to help businesses with operations like as processing, assembly, inspection, inventory management, and production planning. Previously, a tool would be a certain task, but technological advancement have increased the amount of the task and that a tool may perform. Manufacturing facility automation can appear quite different from other sectors, using a wide range of the equipments and robotics to build items as they move through the process. So the manufacturing process automation is a very important emerging trend to be followed in our human resource management. The next emerging trend is Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, often known as IoT, is a network of network computing devices, mechanical and digital machinery, objects, animals or people that have unique identity and the capacity to transfer the data across a network without the need of the human to human or human to computer communication. A thing in Internet of Things can be a human implanted with a heart monitor, a farm animal implanted with a biochip transponder, a car with built-in sensor to inform the driver when tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made objects that can be issued an internet protocol, which is IP address, and send the data via the network. Last but not least, blockchain technologies. Blockchain technologies is a sophisticated database technique that enables the secure exchange of information inside a corporate network. A blockchain database holds data in blocks that are connected in a chain. The data is chronologically consistent since you are remove or update the chain without network consensus. As a consequence, blockchain technology can be used to build a permanent or immutable ledger for a recording orders, payment, accounts, and other transactions. The system has capabilities that prevent unwanted transaction submission while also ensuring uniformly in the shared view of this transaction. These three emerging trends are very useful in our human resources management and also for other industries. That's all from me. Next presenter will continue with the other section. Thank you.
Thank you to the previous presenter. A very good day to everyone. My name is Shankar Malay. My metric number is 281865. Representing my group, today I'd like to present my topic, which is how it will benefit to the HR function in training and development. I'd like to talk about the automating manufacturing process, which is robotics. In this, you will be prepared for any unforeseen repairs if you have skilled and qualified workers. Your staff will have a greater understanding of the manufacturing process and your products with robotic trainings. You will be able to manage the technical difficulties internally, decreasing downtime and saving money on paying outside personals. Robotic trainings will make your company stronger and more efficient. I'd like to talk about the Internet of Things, which is IoT. Employees may utilize the Internet of Things, which is IoT, to improve the employee training and development. A real-time data from IoT enable the equipments and machinery can assist the managers in identifying possible problems with the existing training and programs. Smart kiosks and telepresence technologies can give HR an accurate picture of how workers spend their time at the work. Employee assessment can be repaired with telemedicine to provide HR with information in workplace training and initiatives. I like to explain about the blockchain technologies. Blockchain technologies provides tools from digital authentications and authorization. Because of this reliance, they may be utilized in cloud migration, education, digital IDS, voting, data exchange, and a variety of other industries. A function code cannot be altered once it has been locked into blockchain and sent via the server. Thank you everyone, that's all from me.
Thank you to the previous presenter. And now moving on to the fourth section of our presentation today, which will be presented by me, Vishwatma Kumar, matrix number 287053, which is about strategies to improve HR operation and enhance organizational efficiency. We begin with automated follow-up reminders. With the existence of remote work, it makes for a more challenging work environment because you just can't stroll up to the desk and finish all your work right away. The ideal strategy to overcome this obstacle is to analyze the documentation needs, create a list so that you don't forget anything, and set up automated reminders that flood the inbox until a task is finished. When applied properly, it increases the organizational optimization. Secondly, improving human resource system experience. If the HR system is complex and challenging to use, it negates the purpose of having one in the first place. So we have to eliminate the superfluous features and concentrate on enhancing only the crucial features. You have to recognize the current system's operational workflows and redesign them to streamline the procedures. They should be able to easily use all the important features in the system, which makes the HR system easier to use because it saves the organization a lot of time. The third part is making use of human resources effectively. The invention of new company strategies is one way that a human resource people, according to Forbes, aid in the organizational effectiveness. The objectives of the organization are impacted by human resource specialists. In order to improve the organization, we have to involve the human resource specialists in planning and execution of these reforms. They provide distinctive viewpoints that leaders might overlook and actively participate in choosing the best candidates for open jobs inside the organization. At the same time, we also have to focus on education and growth. Before developing a strategy to increase the efficiency of the firm, the leader must be aware of the advantages and disadvantages of various specialists. First, take into account the training and professionals in various businesses areas before making any modifications to the organization. Discover the qualities, talents, and abilities, and find out where certain experts struggle to function as a team or what their vulnerabilities are. Focus on development of the business by forming efficient teams after determining the advantages and disadvantages of these experts. We move to the last part of my section of the presentation, which is keeping customers in mind. Quality control is crucial to the company's success as it shows overall effectiveness. Customers will look for alternative to a professional if they do not receive high quality goods or services. Therefore, we have to inquire about the services received from the clients by having them complete questionnaires or answering questions and identifying the wants or goals of the customers to determine what they want from a business. We also have to provide anonymous methods for customer to file complaints or to give feedback on businesses that have direct customer contact. Gaining input from customers by using social media platforms or other internet resources is also another good way to show that we keep customers in mind. And to the last section, which is considering the integration of technology. By utilizing computers, tablets, and cell phone to increase business productivity. Even when they are not actively working on a particular aspect of the project, we use software or sharing methods to keep various team members informed about its status. Making use of Office productivity enhanced application, working with technology expert to identify the most effective solution to safeguard the company's information and the information of its customers without going over a certain budget. Thank you, and that concludes my section of this presentation, and I will hand it over to the next presenter.
For conclusion, we have selected the training and development function of human resource management as one of our main themes to concentrate in this study. The provision of appropriate training and the assurance of the proper development of chosen employees is a crucial responsibility of human resources. After all, how well employees are trained for their jobs and what opportunities there are for growth and developments inside the company both affect how well the organization performs. Therefore, human resource should be responsible for ensuring the new hires acquire the knowledge and abilities necessary for doing their tasks efficiently that are unique to the organization.